Whenever you have a job to do, you need to have the right tool to help you get the job done more quickly, make it easier, get a better result. And when you're working with small fasteners, this 43-in-1 precision screwdriver set from STREBITO is just the thing to help you do that. Now, this set is perfect when you're using fasteners, screws for electronics, computers, PCs, iPads, game controllers, cell phones of all types, cameras, drones, Ring doorbells, precision instruments, eyeglasses, even if you have a loose fastener on your pocket knife. Let me show you a little bit more about the set, and I think you'll find it to be very helpful with your day-to-day activities. This set comes with its own compact carrying case, and it's divided and organized for ease of use. With that, you have a number of items, including your driver here, and the driver will accept each of the bits. Now, it's got a rotating end piece here, and that allows you to maintain axial torque while you still can rotate the bit with appropriate pressure on your fastener. It comes with our 30 bits here, and they're categorized in little holders that give you the description and picture of each of the bits, so it's easy to sort out. Now, these bits are made from an S2 steel, and S2 steel is a hot quench steel, anywhere from 350 degrees to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, and that imparts a Rockwell hardness of 50 to 60 units. With that, this makes it a tough, hard steel that resists wear. There are, once again, 30 bits, and the driver with the rotating end cap. You have a number of additional tools that come with it. And that includes a fine point tweezers. It comes in this little protective case here. Very fine, so you can get into tight areas. It has an anti-static brush, which you can clean, let's say the inside part of whatever device you're working on. Particularly fans have a tendency to get dusty, and you can just brush away with this anti-static brush. It has a halberd spudger, and this has a sickle type end on it here. You can see it a little bit better there. It has a pointed spudger, plastic pry tool. It's got a SIM card removal key, and a suction cup. And it's got a magnetizer, demagnetizer, which you can use to magnetize a tool or screw, put it into position. And if you don't want it to be magnetized, simply use the demagnetizer. Simply scrape the bit over whichever one you'd like, the magnetizer or demagnetizer. And it has a set of opening picks, 4 of these. Let me show you a little bit more about how this can be used. Simply select the bit that goes with your fastener, insert it into the driver end, and each of these is marked. Each of the fasteners is marked or engraved with its size, and then simply go ahead, put your fastener in, and rotate things in or out as you need to. Once again, the rotating cap nozzle makes it easier to maintain your axial torque to your fastener. Let's say you get a better deal from a different phone company. Using your SIM card tool makes it really easy to change your SIM card. Simply press it in, releases it, pull your SIM card out, and change it. We can use our spludgers and pry tools here to simply go ahead and open up our case. Makes it real easy to do this. You can go ahead, once you've got your unit open, you can change the battery, reformat whatever portion of your computer, phone, iPad that needs attention. This precision toolkit from STREBITO is going to make your jobs quicker, easier, makes you more efficient. STREBITO is a great company. They've even made this silicone pad that is great to work on, keeps you from marring things, helps keep things organized. Once again, I think you'll find the STREBITO 43-in-1 precision screwdriver kit to be a great addition for your projects.